What you inherit could impact your own estate plan. You should be prepared, not blindsided. When you've spent so many years building your own estate and planning for it, but then suddenly you inherit assets, how are you going to handle it? There are both risks and opportunities. I'm 𝗬𝗏𝗵𝗲𝗃𝗍𝗂𝗏. We're an estate planning practice in New York and New Jersey. We provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. If you are in need of estate planning or administrative services after someone's passing, we assist with those areas. And you can reach us for free consultation at yourplanningattorney.com. Speaking of value, we are also here educating everyone for free all the time. So ask questions and don't forget to share, because together we can help some folks along the way. Now, when you are receiving an inheritance, right? Most people are in life are focused on how they're going to give, but few are prepared for the receipt. And inheriting money or property or accounts can impact your own plan. Could have tax consequences and other liabilities, right? The quality of the plan you're named in will really determine how easy, smooth, and or chaotic that transition to you is going to be. Now, what could possibly go wrong, right? A lot, unfortunately. If your parent, grandparent, whoever's naming you has a poorly drafted estate plan, whether that's a will or an outdated trust, it can really lead to issues in timing, disputes, even in a disinheritance that wasn't being expected. Assets could possibly pass outside of the plan. Assets could be subject to creditor claims, and they can get tied up in the court through probate. Of course, with less certainty, the family dynamics can shift pretty quickly among siblings when there's remarriages or blended families. It can wreak havoc if an estate plan has not been updated and properly presented and thought through. And how will it affect you, right? Well, in a few ways. One, if that plan that designated you did not provide it to you in a creditor-protected way, those monies that you inherited are accessible to the outside world. That's one area that I would say is really big. But also, just having new monies can throw your plan out of balance, right? Whether that's tax thresholds or asset protection or Medicaid eligibility, depending on your circumstance. You may need to update your plan to accommodate these new assets. You might have to update beneficiary designations or restructure your assets in some way. And inheritances are not necessarily just free money, right? They do come with responsibilities and some risks. Finally, I would say estate planning in general is never a one and done, right? It should evolve as you do. And receiving inheritance is one of those shifts of life that can impact your plan. So ask yourself, do you know your parents' plan? And how will it affect you? If you say no, I would educate yourself about the possibilities of the protections that they should have a real chat with them. And in that way, you're ensuring that you've also, in the best way possible, honored their legacy by protecting your own plan. All right. So 2 things: review your estate plan after any inheritance, seek, the advice of your professional team, and know the terms of the plan that names you so there aren't any surprises later. We hope you've learned something new here today. Again, I'm 𝗬𝗏𝗵𝗲𝗃𝗍𝗂 of Zammitti Law. We're an estate planning practice in New York, New Jersey, and we can assist in estate planning administration services. Should you need it from us, you can reach us for free consultation at yourplanningattorney.com. Thank you so much again. Please take care and don't forget to share. Bye-bye.